Dear students, now we are going to see exercise 2.2 miscellaneous practice problem. First problem, complete the following pattern. First we have to consider the left hand side first numbers. For 9, for it is 98. Now you have to compare these two order 9 before number 8. The next in third 9, 8, 7. Next 9, 8, 7, 6. Next 9, 8, 7, 6 is there. Before number is 6, before number is 5. Now the second number 1. 1 after number is 2. 2 after number is 3. 3 after number is 4. 4 after number is 5. Now we move to the right hand side. First value you have to find 9 minus 1, 8. Then 98 minus the second value also you have to find. Also you have to find 98 minus 21, that is 77. Now for it is 8. Next one number is reduced, that is 7, write 2 times. Next before number is 7, before number 6 3 times. 6 before number 5 4 times. 1 time 8, 2 times 7, 3 times 6, 4 times 5. Next 5 times 4. The same way we have to find both left hand side and right hand side. First left hand side 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Next number 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 before number 4. For in the second number 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is there. So that is 5 after number is 6. So 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So here 4 write 5 times. 4 before number is 3. 5 times is there. So next we have to write 6 times. So now you have to check 1 time 8, before number 7 2 times, before number 6 3 times, before number 5 4 times, 5 times, here 6 times. The second problem, a piece of wire is 12 cm long. What will be the length of the side if it is formed as an equilateral triangle? Second question, a square. Given length of the wire equal to 12 cm. That length of the wire we consider as a perimeter. First problem, an equilateral triangle. First you have to draw one equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all the sides are equal. So I am denote here A. The measurement is A. All the sides are equal. Perimeter, I said the length of the wire consider as a perimeter. Perimeter equal to 12 cm. Perimeter means the sum of the measures of all the sides. Now perimeter of a triangle is equal to sum of all the sides. So all the sides A plus A plus A. 3A is equal to 12 cm. A is equal to, for 3 in a multiplication, so you transpose means it's become a division. Now you make a cancelling method. 1 3 is 3, 4 3s are 12. So 4 cm. Therefore length of the side of the equilateral triangle equal to 4 . Second problem, second sum, a square. Perimeter is 12 cm. First you have to draw one square. Perimeter equal to 12 cm. Perimeter of a square equal to sum of all the sides. So now perimeter of a square equal to 4A. So A plus A plus A plus A. So 4A equal to 12 cm. So now A equal to, you have to apply the transposing rules for 12 divided by 4. 1 4 is 4. 3 4s are 12. So 3 cm. So length of the side of the square equal to 3 cm. Now the third problem, it is a bookwork problem. Identify the values of the shapes and figures in the table given below and verify their addition horizontally and vertically. Now you have to consider the diagram for horizontally and vertically. For 3 types of diagram is given. One is a star, another one is a smiley face, another one is a equilateral triangle. So this is for 30, for vertically the values given 30, 36. Then the remaining is remaining columns are not given. The same way horizontally only one value is given, remaining values we have to find. So for it is randomly you select the values, we need the total 30. For this one, for any way you have to give the values, you get 30. But the same way the values have to satisfy for the horizontal value also 32 also. So now I select the value for star 8, smiley face 7 and equilateral triangle 10. So star means all the star you have to give the same value, all the smiley faces you have to give the same value, all the equilateral triangle give the same value. So the first one star 8, smiley face 7, 7, 8. So add these 4, you get 30. For vertically you have to add, you get 32. So the same way you have to complete the remaining columns also, you have to check. Any other values are possible, you have to find out. Now the fourth problem, the table given below shows the results of the matches played by 8 teams in the Kabaddi Championship tournament. For a teams A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. And the columns are given total matches played, matches won, matches lost. So the A, B, C means the total matches played. So A played 8, B 7. So C is unknown, some variable is given. This we want to find. A also unknown we want to find. For a E 9, F 10, G 8 and Y also, that is H also unknown. So matches won for A team 5, B team 6, C team 4, D team 7, E is unknown, for a F is 6, then G is unknown, H is 3. Matches lost. For that is A unknown, B also unknown, C is 6, D is 2, E is 3, F is unknown, G is 4, H is 6. So we want to find the value of all the variables in the table given above. For this we have to find first one by one we have to consider first column. For a team A, total matches played 8, matches won 5, so matches lost we want to find. So matches, total matches means how many matches they won, how many matches they lost. So that is we have to add these two, 5 plus k equal to 8. So 5 plus k equal to 8, you have to simplify this. 5 plus k equal to 8, that means k equal to 8 minus 5, that is equal to 3. Next, B team, for total matches 7, number of matches won 6, matches lost. So that means unknown, this is unknown. So 6 plus m equal to 7. So m equal to 7 minus 6. So that is equal to 1. Next is C team. For n is equal to total number of matches we want to find. So we have to add the number of matches won and number of matches lost. So 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. So n value is 10. Next, D team. For total matches, this is also unknown. So we have to add the number of matches won and number of matches lost. 7 plus 2, 9. Next, for E team, for total matches is given, number of matches won we want to find. So given also given matches lost. So B plus 3 equal to 9. So B equal to 9 minus 3. So that is equal to 6. So B is 6. Next, F. F team, for it is total matches played 10, won 6, we want to find how much is lost. So that is 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Next, G team, total number of matches is 8, matches won unknown, for how many matches is lost. So x plus 4 equal to 8. So x is equal to 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. The last team, H team. So that is total matches is unknown. So the number of matches won and number of matches lost is given. So you have to add these two, 3 plus 6, 9. Next, fifth problem. Gopal is 8 years younger to Karnan. If the sum of their ages is 30, how old is Karnan? So this is Gopal age is 8 years younger to Karnan. For this means Karnan is a greater age. So that means if the sum of their ages means Gopal age plus Karnan age equal to 30. Now we want to find the Karnan age. For this algebra, for unknown we have to consider some variable. So we have to consider for Karnan age is x. So now we have to solve this problem. Let the Karnan age be x years, given Gopal is 8 years younger to Karnan. This means Gopal's age is x minus 8. Why we are writing x minus 8? Karnan age we are consider as a x. So for 8 years younger to Karnan, so x minus 8. Also given sum of their ages is 30. So Gopal's age plus Karnan's age is 30. Gopal age we consider as x. Karnan's age we consider as x. Gopal's age we found x minus 8 is equal to 30. For x plus x, that is 2x minus 8 is equal to 30. 2x you have to apply the transposing rules. This minus 8 moves to right hand side, it's become a plus 8. So 2x is equal to 30 plus 8. Now 2x is equal to 38. X is equal to, again apply the transposing rules. 1 2 is 2, 1 2 is 2, balance 1, 18, 9 2s are 18. So x is equal to 19. Therefore Karnan's age equal to